Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Tuesday, December 30th. You're one day away, really, from the start of the new year, in that in order to achieve tax loss selling, today is the last day to do that because there is a one-day settlement on trades. So they will settle tomorrow, December 31st, allowing you to take a tax loss, but then you won't be able to buy that security back or that position back if it's an ETF or something like that for a 1 month, 30-day period. So keep that in mind. Right now, the futures are down, but only slightly. There's not a ton of volume this week, and it really hasn't been a spectacular week between Christmas and New Year's. In terms of trading, mostly red on the indices throughout the week, but that'll likely change as we head into next week. The 5th of January, which is the Monday, should be a pretty active day in terms of volume and activity. The start of the year, there's usually a great deal of optimism. There's a lot of predictions for where the different indices are going to be by the end of 2026, and we'll get to hear all of that leading up to earnings in the second, third week of January when we start to hear from the big financials. So good luck in your trades if you're going to make them. A lot of the trades today and this week have probably been driven by retail investors. So keep that in mind. The institutional investors are probably not very active this week. If we look at individual names, you'll see it's a mix of red and green on the screen. There are some potentially good long-term buys like Costco down in the 860s. You've got energy making a comeback based on some potential for a resolution to the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. And then it's a mixed bag in tech. Even your AI all-stars aren't really moving. The one surprise to me is Tesla. I can't believe that Tesla by the end of the year is at 474. I'm thinking that's going to be lower by the end of 2026, but we'll have to see what happens with robots and robotaxi. I think it's a great time to get into Google before the start of the year, and TSM as well, knowing that their numbers are looking rock solid for 2026. Financials, I think, will also do well, although I think they are a little overinflated right now, especially the big names going into earnings. Good luck in your trades. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.